Hope all have installed Arduino. Today we are going to see about simulating the Arduino Uno board in Protus 8 Professional. We are going to create a digital output from an Arduino, which is nothing but we are going to blink an LED in Arduino. Now open Protus 8 Professional from Start menu. After that, we are going to open the Arduino software. Okay, come back to Protus 8 software. Here we are going to create a new project. Select new. Wait till the wizard initialize. Here we are going to LED connected to the Arduino. Make a project file name as Arduino simulation. And then select the folder. Here I am going to save it in pictures. Select a new folder and then give the same name, Arduino simulation, and then select folder, and here you have to select next. Okay, we are going to create a schematic and then select next. Okay, in the PCB we are not going to make a PCB, so you have to select next. And it is not a firmware project, we are going to use the Arduino compiler only, so then select next. Here we are going to select the Arduino board and then select which device and then type Arduino and in keyword blocks. Okay, the Arduino is listed. You can select any two of the Arduino, two are same, and then select OK. And then you can place the Arduino board in the Protus. Arduino is an open source platform where students and professionals can go deep into embedded system and learn more things in it. This board is a famous board known as Arduino Uno. It has a 8-bit microcontroller named Atmega 328P, and we have several digital pins over here and analog pins over here. We have 13 digital pins and 6 analog pins. The dash mark before the pin names mentions that these pins can generate PWM output in Arduino board. These last two pins are TX and RX. These pins are used in serial communications. Okay. Now open Arduino IDE. Here is the place where we are going to write a small C program to blink the LED. We are having two functions, void setup and void loop. The setup function is used to run the program once. It is used to run the program once only. Anything you write over here, run the program once. Okay. The second one is void loop. Here it will repetitively run the program until the power goes off. Okay. Now we are going to connect an LED with the Arduino board. So take an LED from the software, locate it and then select OK, and place the LED and connect it to the 13th pin of the Arduino board. Anode must be connected to the 13th and the cathode of the LED must be grounded. select ground from here and then select OK. Okay, if you double click the Arduino, it will show the properties box. Here you have to make the program file over here. To do this, we need to write a program in the Arduino's IDE. Open back Arduino. We no need these comments, delete it out. Okay. Come back to Protus. We are connected the LED to the 13th pin of the Arduino. So we have to mention this thing in the program. Okay, let's make it. Write pin mode, which is nothing but the mode of the pin, which is input mode or output mode, and LED is the output device, so we are going to select output. 13th number is the pin number 13, output. The 13th pin is set to output mode. LED is connected to 13th pin. In loop over here, we are going to blink the 13th pin. So we are going to write digital write 13, high for making the LED to glow, which is 5 volt is applied to the anode of the LED. To make the LED to off, we have to make digital write 13, low. 13th is the pin number and the low will make the 13th pin to 0 volt. Okay. To have a delay between on and off periods, we are going to insert the statement delay 1000, which is nothing but 1 second. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. Similarly, after the high period and after the low period also, we have to make the delay. So copy it and paste it here. Delay 1000, which is 1 second. After writing the code, save the program, file, save, and select your desired file location. And a file name as LED blink, and then select save. Okay. Now open File, Preferences. You need to make these options as shown. Select all over here and see these options and make it as it is in your laptop. And then select OK. Now we are going to compile it. Press the tick button over there, the compile button. Now Arduino will start compiling your program. Arduino finishes compile. Can extend it over here. Go to Protus and double click it. We need to put the path of the hex file over here. So come back to Arduino and search for the hex file. These options will be seen only when the preference options are checked as shown above. This is the hex file. This is the path of the file. Select the path and then select Ctrl C for copy and then return to Protus and then select paste over here. Okay, this is the X file that we copied and then select OK. Now try to run the simulation by clicking the play button at the bottom over there. Wait till it initializes. See, the LED starts to blink. Okay, it started blinking for a second. Okay, to change the blinking speed, you stop the program and then come back to Arduino over here and then make this as 100 for on time and off time as 80. Then recompile it. Okay, the compilation finishes. Now come back to Protus and then start the simulation by clicking the play button. Okay, now the LED starts to blink faster. Here we come to an end. Thank you for watching.